Wanted to look at a few things on this boat. First thing that you might see when the boat's floating in the water is a little alligator bite on the swim platform right here. So this is bad for a bunch of reasons, obvious, but you can see that the fiberglass is ripped up, then all of the core, the balsa wood core inside is damaged, and it will suck the moisture all the way through the swim platform. The more time it's not repaired, the more time the moisture will migrate. So that's a problem. The next problem is the trim tab. You can see the trim tab here got bent up, and you've got 1, 2, 3 ramrods to hold the trim tab up. And something that you don't see here, is that bracket that holds the swim platform up, because there is the bracket laying right there. So this is a job that needs to be completed, and it's not that terrible of a job, but it's something that needs to be done. That swim platform will probably be lifted off of the boat and worked on the bench and then put back together. We've got other videos of other swim platforms being repaired. Just to walk around, you can see that big exhaust pipe, so they've got big engines in it, probably Detroit diesel. This is worm coral here on barnacles also. And walking up the side of the boat, you can see that we've got a splicer right here. So that's a 2-part shaft. The shaft is so very long that it's actually 2 parts instead of one extremely long shaft. And it's got the primary strut to hold the shaft in the back by the propeller. There's the splicer, and then we've got an intermediate strut right there to keep the shaft from spaghetti warping because it's so incredibly long. And walking up to the front a little bit, you can see that we've got the active fin stabilizers here. I don't know what brand this is, but they look metal. Sound metal. And then of course we've got a zinc on it there. So this boat's fully accessorized. And I said that too soon because there's no bow thruster up here on the bow of the boat. So if you've got questions about surveys, what is underwater for a boat that you might be considering to buy, look us up. Ask Captain Chris.